Hi everyone, it's Mai with Miss Wagashi TV. Welcome to my kitchen in Tokyo. In this episode, I'll be showing you how to cook perfect Japanese white rice using a pot. So when I say Japanese white rice, it means short grain white rice. So this method I'll be teaching today can be applied to any short grain white rice. Short grain white rice is eaten daily as staple food and also used in making sushi, making curry rice, making omurice, and in many other Japanese dishes. So if you want to cook Japanese dishes, you need to know proper way to cook Japanese rice. So I'll be teaching you how. Let's get started. Let's start on 1 cup of rice. 1 cup of rice is about 220 grams. Pour the rice into a bowl and place under running water. Rinsing rice helps remove any extra starch. Rinse the rice 3 times until the water becomes clear. Let's combine the rice and water in a saucepan. So I will pour the rice into a saucepan and 1 cup of water, 250 ml of water, into a pot. 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of water is basic ratio for making sushi rice, but you can adjust water portion depending on the purpose of use. Here is a water ratio chart that I created for your reference. Once you have your rice and water combined in a pot, let's soak the rice for 30 minutes. I'm gonna place this onto the stove and let's bring it to a boil over high heat. Make sure you put the lid on. Once the water begins to boil, turn the heat down to the lowest. I want to simmer it for 8 minutes. Don't remove the lid as you're cooking it. When you reduce the heat from high to the lowest, make sure the water is completely boiling and you can see the steams coming from the pot. 8 minutes has passed, so I'm gonna turn the heat off, remove the pot from the stove, and I'm gonna steam additional 10 minutes with my lid on. Don't take the lid off yet. I have my Japanese rice perfectly cooked in my pot now. This plain rice can be used in making sushi rice and other rice dishes. In the separate video, I'll be showing you how to make sushi rice from this plain rice. So thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. If you find this video is useful, please put the likes and also subscribe my channel. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye.